Hello third grade and welcome back to the Tiny Art Institute. Today we're going to focus on a value study. That's where you draw 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you start with the lightest, go a little darker with your pencil, little darker, and then as dark as you can in the last box. So you're going to have to watch how hard you press with your pencil. When you press really hard, it's going to make a darker mark, as you know. So you lighten up. I'll start out with drawing across the page, getting darker and darker and darker, and then I'll show you a value scale box. I know I used to do at least 10 values in a scale when I was doing a really in-depth drawing to show all those differences, and when I use those, things start to look more realistic as I go. Hope you're ready. Grab a pencil, piece of paper. That's all you need today, but please do take a screenshot, upload this so I can grade it. And remember, you can do any video on the classroom page, but you only get graded for your grade level assignment per week. Only one a week. You can do as many as you want, but get 1 grade per week. See you soon. This lesson is all about shading. We're starting on one edge of the paper, really light, and then pushing harder as we go in one direction. So it should go from light to dark. It's getting darker, darker, darker. Press your pencil harder and harder as it gets further down. Now I'm making a 5-box value scale. Start from almost white paper, go to light gray, medium gray, darker gray, and then the darkest you can make it. So it should be 5 different boxes of value. Pushing hard to get the darkest and barely pushing to get the lightness, and show the differences in between. And that way, when you draw the piece of fruit or whatever the object that you're drawing, you use all of those values from light to dark. And I'm also using rounded lines or curved lines to indicate the size and the shape and the form of the fruit, and then adding the value scale to it makes it look more realistic with the shadow underneath and the shine on top of the object. Please experiment with this and practice, practice, practice. You'll get better and better as you do. Your drawings will start to look more realistic as you use these techniques. Please only turn in your 3rd grade assignment, because that's all we can grade per week is 1 assignment. If you have little brothers or sisters, let them know to do their grade level assignment too, if you would. That helps me out. Please write your name and your grade level on your piece. I'm labeling the values from light to dark in the value scale also. But when you upload your work, it's nice if I can see your name and your grade level. That helps me grade too. Google Classroom is pretty big, and I'm figuring out the parts of it and how to make it best work for me and all of us. So I hope you understand a little bit more about value from light to dark, and I hope you see that it helps your drawings look more and more realistic as you use this. Please practice this as much as you can, and use it in anything that you draw from now on, if you will, except for cartoons. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.